Hello friends, welcome to the video which talks about praxeological theory of curriculum. This video provides you a clear understanding of this theory with relevant images to understand the concept. This topic is related to the MEd course of curriculum development. I am Dr. Evangeline Whitehead, created and presenting this video. Praxeological theory of curriculum. Ludwig von Mises, 1881 to 1973. Ludwig von Mises, a German economist, had first talked about praxeological theory. He says, human action is purposeful behavior. Life is an unceasing sequence of single actions. The word praxeology has come from an ancient Greek word praxis, which means deed or action. The word logia means study of. These words clearly lead us to an understanding that praxeological theory is a study of human action based on the idea that humans engage in purposeful behavior. Praxeology is a theoretical and systematic science focuses on human action as such, irrespective of all environmental, accidental, and individual circumstances of the concrete acts. Praxeological theory is understood as general accounts of human action oriented towards human effectiveness. This purposeful behavior mentioned by Ludwig Mises is entirely opposite to the reflective and unintentional behavior. Normally, human beings engaged with their society and the world and transform their world by their actions. As an effect of their actions, they shape themselves by the reality. That means they are shaped by their own transforming action. Praxeological theory of curriculum. Praxeological theory of curriculum is based on the theory and methodology of Freire, and this theory is the view of man. Man is a subject who is always connected to the world, and the world is always connected to the man. In this awareness, students may perceive their roles is not only to be in this world but to engage in relations with the world, that through acts of creation and recreation, man makes cultural reality and thereby adds to the natural world which he did not make. This is a quotation given by Freire. Without realizing his present situation or realizing his perceptions created by force outside, man acts on the basis of his understanding and creates his reality and the world. Praxeology model of curriculum has been created by considering the concept of the action of man on the world, creating a reality. Curriculum designed on this model assumes a commitment to enabling individuals to develop and cultivate authentic critical consciousness. Authentic critical consciousness leads to the realization of themselves as authentic human beings existing in the world, and it makes the human beings capable of changing and transforming their world around the entire world. Praxeological approach. Man acts on the world by mere understanding of the theories and practical. In awareness of the relationship between action and theory, individuals see they are not only shaped by ideas, feelings, values, and the products of man's creation. By theories, they come to know the matter which leads to justify, explain, and generate the concepts. In practical, they practically solve the problem by doing. Man's actions in the world implicate them as shapers and shapers of ideas, values, feelings, and products of their world. Action and reflection. Praxeology model of curriculum is the continuous process of action and reflection, enabling individuals to develop the power of perceive critically the way they exist in the world in which they find themselves. This is an image created to understand the concept of praxeology theory of curriculum. Individuals are enabled to see the interrelatedness of human being, that they come to understand the relationships of their actions to their world, perceiving their action as rising from ideas, feelings, and values shaped by their individual and collective past, by their perception of present realities, and by their view of future possibilities. Human beings gain their past, present, and future reflections from the situational knowledge, interpretative knowledge, empirical knowledge, analytical and technical knowledge. These past, present, and future are the segments of the category of reflection happens in human beings. In this understanding, learners come to see themselves and others as historical beings whose relations with the world have consequences. The reflective knowledge gives an ability to the learners to both separate self from the world and involve self in the world. Individuals may, as subjects, consciously create and recreate consequences. Thank you for watching this video.